Good evening, Falcon parents, and welcome to our annual open house. Please be sure to sign in at our greeting table located in the gymnasium. There you'll receive a free gift. The gift is an academic planner. It has a $5 value. We want to make sure our students utilize that gift to stay organized with all of their daily activities, as well as to help you stay in contact with their classroom teachers. In addition to visiting classroom teachers, we have a few information sessions planned for you. Those information sessions start at 6:50. All 6th grade parents, we would like you to report to the Media Center, who will give you information on our Bow Ties and Pearls event. 8th grade parents, we would like you to report to the auditorium at 6:50, where we will provide information on our Leadership Gala. School partners, business partners, and other services that come inside of our building will be set up inside the gymnasium. You are free to peruse the gymnasium and gather as much information as possible for those support services. Parents, inside of the first period class, there's an important document that you're going to receive. Actually, there's 2 important documents. One, we need you to initial by your name, verifying that the address and phone number that we have on file is accurate. The other is a student data sheet and a goal sheet. We want you to look at that sheet and determine where your child is in regards to their Lexile level and set goals for October, November, and December. We also want you to use that sheet to look at where they are with iReady. All students need to get 45 minutes of iReady a week. We need your help in making sure that our students meet their goals. If the students do not have an iReady score, it is because they didn't take the diagnostic or they're in algebra. If the students don't have an Achieve 3000 score, it is because they haven't taken the baseline diagnostic assessment yet. We will make sure all students that haven't taken it will take that assessment within the following week. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the hall.